Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Aubrey Organics, Honeysuckle Rose Conditioner, Restores, and Hydrates, Dry Hair, 11 fluid ounces, 325 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Rosa Mosqueta Rose Hip Seed and Argan Oils Moisture Intensive 75% organic ingredients crafted by nature since 1967 Silicone-Free Vegan Gluten-Free Paraben-Free Phthalate-Free Cruelty-Free. Restorative emollients smooth away tangles and leave dry, brittle hair utra-soft, shiny and easy to style. Lightly floral honeysuckle scent. Key ingredients. Organic Rosa Mosqueta Rose Hip Seed and Argan Oils High in essential fatty acids and vitamin E, restore moisture and nutrients. Chrysanthemum, Angelica and Magnolia Boost shine and soothe the scalp. Suggested use. Shake well before using. After shampooing, apply to damp hair and work through, concentrating on the ends. Leave on for 1 or 2 minutes. Rinse. Other ingredients. Aloe barbadensis leaf juice, Butyrospermum parkii, shea butter, fruit, cetyl alcohol, from coconut oil, glyceryl stearate, from vegetable oils, cetyl alcohol, from coconut oil, alcohol denat. 38B, lavender, leuconostoc, radish root ferment filtrate, glycerin, stearic acid, Lanas rigiponica, honeysuckle, flower extract, Rosa rubiginosa, argan, corn oil, macadamia integrifolia seed oil, tocopherol, vitamin E, Prunus amygdalus dulcis, sweet almond, oil, chrysanthemum sinus flower extract, Angelica archangelica root extract, flower extract, chamomilla recutita, matricaria, flower extract, chamomile, Melisio officinalis, balm mint, leaf/flower/stem extract, Humulus lupulus, hops, flower extract, Phoniculum vulgare, phenol, seed extract, sodium cocoa glutamate, from coconut oil, Citrus grandis, grapefruit, extract, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, hydrolyzed wheat protein, gluten-free, stearyl ammonium hydroxypropyluryl glucosides chloride, biodegradable, from coconut oil, natural fragrance. Organic. Natural isolate blend sourced from essential oils. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.